In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Revolut to HSBC. Whether you're sending funds to a friend, family member, or even to your own account, I'll break down this process into simple, easy to follow steps. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to grab your phone and open up the Revolut app. If you haven't already installed it, make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure a smooth experience. Once you're in the app, direct your attention to the bottom menu where you'll see an option labeled Payments. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon. Tap on this and you'll be presented with a couple of options. Depending on your location, you'll either select bank transfer or send internationally. This is important because it determines how your transfer will be processed. Next, you'll need to choose the country where the HSBC account is based. For many of you, this might be the United Kingdom, but feel free to select the appropriate country for your specific needs. Once that's set, it's time to enter the amount you want to send. Make sure to double check this amount to avoid any mistakes. With the amount confirmed, you'll now need to input the recipient's bank details. This includes the account number or IBAN, as well as the account holder's name. If you're sending money to your own HSBC account, you can easily find your IBAN by checking your account details in the HSBC app or on your bank statement. This ensures that the funds go exactly where they need to. After you've carefully input all the necessary details, the next step is to tap Add Recipient. This will prompt you to review the transfer details. Take a moment here to make sure everything is correct. It's always better to double check than to deal with potential issues later. Once you're satisfied with all the information, it's time to confirm the payment. Simply tap the confirmation button and voila! The money will be sent from your Revolut balance directly to the HSBC account you specified. And there you have it. That's how to transfer money from Revolut to HSBC. It's a straightforward process once you're familiar with the steps, and now you can manage your finances more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher.